Introducing the 2019 Volkswagen Passat H-line. 1.5 psi D7F, 155 door auto in sleek grey. This stunning estate is equipped with a powerful 1.5 litre petrol engine and automatic transmission, providing a smooth and efficient driving experience. Loaded with comfort and accessories features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and rear armrest, this Passat ensures a luxurious ride every time. Safety features such as ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking provide peace of mind on the road. With stylish chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails, this Passat is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Plus, with a Powertrain warranty and anti-corrosion warranty, you can drive with confidence. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us now or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information on this exceptional Volkswagen Passat.